Okay.
That's
This
it?
is the story of how you have to turn it up and you have to turn it straight up. Thanks. Here. Okay, good girl.
That's it? There you go.
Here. Can mommy see it? Here. Ooh.
That's it? Thank you. Here you go.
You want it? Okay, there you go.
I understand how you feel. I really do.
That's it?
I really do.
Can I have it? Ooh.
That's it?
Okay, let her have it. Let her have it for like a minute to calm down. Okay, you have it.
Yay!
Thank you. Here. Why don't you keep it? Why don't you keep it?
Thank you.
You ruined my birthday. I love you, but come on.
Oh, now you just want mommy?
That's it? Thank you.
Oh, good girl. Okay, give it. Whew. She likes to share.
That's it?